Hey everybody, we are back. We're going to do what we call a speed review of some places that we went to when we were in Pittsburgh. These are places that we recommend if you ever find yourself in Pittsburgh, PA. We recommend you check them out.
So the first place that we went to was called Burgatory, and they had a super awesome burger called the Piggy Butter and Jelly. It had habanero jam on it, peanut butter, and the patty was made out of ground beef and bacon. So that was super good.
Yeah, that was awesome. Another place that we went to was called Waffles and Caffeinated. They have some really good chicken and waffles, and they put like candy pecans on the waffles, and you get syrup, of course, and then white meat chicken, like kind of chicken strips on top of the waffles. That was really good.
Another place we went to is called the Milkshake Factory. Pretty self-explanatory, but awesome milkshakes. Everything that we had there was really good. You could make your own. They also had all kinds of like signature ones that they make. So if you like milkshakes, you should check it out.
Another place we went to was called Crafton Ice Cream Delight. They have an ice cream sundae called Peanut Butter Overload. It's this ice cream sundae that's basically a mountain of ice cream with a bunch of peanut butter products like Reese's and Reese's Pieces and all that kind of stuff. Anybody that knows me knows I love peanut butter stuff, so I had to throw that in there. Another product that they have is called Dole Whip. It was like pineapple ice cream.
Kind of like a pineapple soft serve, but it's non-dairy, so it is safe for those of you who need to be dairy-free, but tasted really good.
I don't know, like if you could imagine Dole pineapples that come in a can. I don't know if that's how they make it, but
they also just come as pineapples, like fresh pineapples.
See, I don't think of that kind of stuff, so yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. But yeah, it's just a really tropical-y, tasty soft serve.
Yeah, it was good.
And by the way, Greg ate that whole monstrous peanut butter overload thing. I had like 2 bites of it. And it was like...
And it was well worth it.
So another place that we went to that was really cool was called the Oakmont Bakery. And that is just an amazing place because it's a huge building filled with every kind of pastry and treat and goodie that you can imagine. Donuts, cakes, cookies, all kinds of stuff. So if you're in the Pittsburgh area, that is a can't miss stop.
That was like a grocery store of baked goods.
Yeah.
And it was amazing. Another place that we stopped at is called Kelios Diner. It has kind of a 1950s type diner vibe. It's pretty small. You could miss it if you're not really paying attention. But totally worth the stop. Good food. We had breakfast there that was really good. Pretty busy too for a little place, but totally worth the wait. And the service was good. The food was good. We had fun. Just, yeah, place that we would recommend.
And then lastly, we wanted to highlight a place called the North Shore Tavern. They had some really good smash burgers there. Greg got one called the BLT smash burger, and I got one that was an espresso smash burger. So it had like an espresso rub on the meat, it had bacon jam, and it had a Dr. Pepper barbecue sauce on it. So I thought that burger was super impressive. If you love a good burger, and especially bacon and Dr. Pepper, which I love all those 3 things, you should try that espresso smash burger. So that's our speed review of all the places we ate in Pittsburgh that we thought are worth the stop.
Yeah, so if you find yourself in the Steel City, you might want to check those places out.
Bye.
Later.